Announcing planned component replacements for JD Edwards EnterpriseOne. At AMS, we focus exclusively on providing solutions to improve equipment reliability and expand your JDE investment. Managing the lifecycle of rebuildable components in JD Edwards is a never-ending struggle, requiring the coordination of maintenance, purchasing, warehouse, and finance personnel. Newly built plants and equipment fleets come with components designed to be replaced. As they wear out, you need to remove the worn-out component, swap it out with an available spare, send the used component out to be rebuilt, restock it into inventory as a spare, and eventually refit it into another piece of equipment. With planned component replacements, every component in your business is easily tracked in a dashboard, which lets you see all components, forecast when they will require replacement, and understand their current status and location. Many components have cores, particularly those designated as capital spares, which must be tracked and returned to the OEM or penalties are incurred. PCR easily handles the management of core values. Throughout the PCR lifecycle, the tracking of cores and their value is handled seamlessly between maintenance and procurement. With PCR, accountants can define the corporate policy regarding whether to expense or capitalize components, and then PCR will automatically manage the financial transactions, eliminating frustrating allocations at month end. Finally, your organization can answer these questions. What is the average life of all of the components that have been used over the life of this equipment? And how many times has this specific component been rebuilt? And when should the core be returned to the OEM or a new component be procured? Again, here at AMS, we're focused exclusively on looking for ways to expand your JDE investment. The first step is to call us today and request a demo of PCR, and we can't wait to hear from you.